The ICS Cleanroom is an open access facility that offers compound semiconductor processing facilities, full end-to-end processing of wafers, all under one roof.
The aims of the facility are to offer a wide range of flexible and reliable process services that covers the needs of as many users as possible, so working on small sample tiles all the way up to much larger 200mm diameter wafers, but also flexible in terms of the process that we offer and the materials that we can fabricate.
We provide a platform where others can come and do their research and ensure that those processes become products that underpin our daily life. Thanks to a major investment by Cardiff University, fully supported by the European Regional Development Fund, we've been able to build and equip the new cleanroom. Compound semiconductor prototypes can be developed in there through a full process flow, which is then ready to be transferred out to industry, ready for industrial production.
The new cleanroom is really big. It's 1,500 square meters. It's bay and chase design layout. We have dedicated bays for all the key fabrication steps. The areas include wet processing, lithography, plasma etch and PECVD. We also have metrology, characterization and back-end processing.
So we have a brand new 100 kilovolt electron beam lithography system that uses a 125 megahertz pattern generator to achieve extremely high resolution write modes. And we've also expanded our plasma etching capabilities into a fleet of brand new tools to widen the material space that we can fabricate with. So we have our new high-spec stress-controlled PECVD systems, and we also have a 200mm maskless projection lithography system.
We ensure the highest level of quality to our output. This is done via a comprehensive metrology and inspection regime. We have profilometry, ellipsometer, SEMs, optical microscopes, all controlled via statistical process control to ensure that quality.
We're a very experienced team, so we can apply and adapt the processes that we have with our extensive recipe database, and we can optimize the parameters to get the results that our users need.
The ICS team is all about the people, not just this wonderful facility. There's a mixture of both academic and industrial backgrounds to ensure we understand our customer requirements and can build collaboration to help that compound semiconductor research.